was my hand who said go buy. Boy, I would have looked for that pineapple.
What the
I'm playing, bro.
what the
The
fuck?
chip store
Are
is
you guys
closed.
good?
So I went to that other chip store. You know that other one I want to show you. That has guns on the thing. I went there, and they had this one.
Why are your comments coming in
All
slow?
the other
Like,
ones except pineapple.
you guys are still
I said,
saying
okay,
hi.
let me mind. I went to the garage. I found this again.
Oh,
so I
shit.
thought maybe people do like.
I've been left for
one or
50
two
seconds.
things. So at the garage it was this one and black eyes.
It's giving too much cold.
Yeah, it's because of the mint.
I hate food.
Let's swim, bro. Look, standing like this. it
And
feels
the
like I'm
festival is
underwater.
coming. What are you doing?
Like, if
What
you
are
chill
you
like
doing?
this,
Are you
the
hosting
water is too
anything?
high.
I
It's
doubt.
like underwater now. Look at it.
I don't know, bro. Thando bengithi ubuye nosibari kwase. Pimples go brush. Get it why? Do you still do pay promos? For some things, yeah.
I'm starting to get bored of weed.
I stay in Russia, no. I came back on Thursday.
The tolerance, eh?
You just make sure like sleep, you know? Yeah, it's your tolerance. Maybe take a tolerance break.
This kid.
So maybe like
A month, G.
without smoking.
Not even 1 G. Not even 2.
Like even when I smoke, it's like I'm 24/7 high. I got used to the fact that I'm high. That this feels
Where's
like
Panda? He's, yeah.
Let's try a tolerance. Let's try a tolerance break. After the tolerance break, we only smoke when it's good enough. That way, when you smoke, you'll be high.
we can mice weed for this the next month. Go back to
Start
them.
smoking in the same day. This is gonna be the first time I take a tolerance break. Years of smoking.
Only smoke chew.
I hate those pimples on your pretty face.
Day will be, bro.
I hate them too, bro. I've been on for 3 minutes. What? It feels like
around 8 will be awake, and when you wake up, even though you
it's like a
tired a bit,
bed,
you wake up with
like
will be sharp. Quick to think, do stuff, but no sleep again.
can you see my little? Malfetta is natural. I don't know where she's at. I think she went to her mom. What the fuck? Why did you get rid of it? I tried, yo.
Yeah, you're gonna talk to shop.
Or text me if you leave.
I'm about to do.
Yeah.
How hot is it Thursday? You know it's better. Yo, in the afternoon, bruh. No carry 50 degrees. It was so hot. Yo. How does it feel when you smoke? Use pimple patches. Yeah, I should. Please massage my feet.
You're already doing it already.
So often. Is that a double-levered Arctic mint? It's a Arctic mint. You know the flavor. You know that? You know, angazi ukuthi mara what mint. At least you're no longer in a toxic relationship. I might need London like. Where's massage? No, me as guitars.
Some people find guitars on massage.
I'm not some people. Hey! Ow!
Ufuna
Ow!
awuyekela ukwenza kanje namabhodo wakho yini manje awufuse awuyekela ukwenza yini wayikwenza kanje
Yo, the fault.
What the fuck is going on?
what
Do you realize now I'm not booking artists, they're booking influencers. The fuck is this? Who the fuck is gonna go to Zenzu to see McG, Mac Lopez, Sonwabile, Zile Weezy, Yanda Woods, and Sima? And that is a fucking lineup, bro. That is their lineup.
McG's been a DJ akawenza wona DJ
Can you give
Make your thing, make you a podcast. People will go there to see
and
Make
because yesterday, look at how turned up it was. What?
boy don't people say it's for nice DJ
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. You did this! You did this! Again. Rock, paper, scissors! Shy, boy. Shy. Boy, if you didn't slam this one.
Can't close the door like that, man.
Boy. Ooh, boy.
Sorry, I'm distracted. Anyways. Uhlala guys. Nginhlekelani.
Dave waiting, you man. You wanna skip tooth?
No. I said skip
Skip tooth.
You want us give you?
For me.
Maybe I do like you.
Ejo.
Outfits.
No, Thando. No.
Okalibela muri dajo. Akitor is the
Okarmarata.
Ejo gari maratan.
Bo.
Because Panda is small.
what
Yeah. I'm talking about how
No fits into that here one.
live
Aye,
Yeah. Wait till kabali laga.
Leona, please come here.
What about Famare?
Panda doesn't want to show
Boy.
his face without me.
I'm left.
It's in my room, ne?
12.
No.
I'm and Leona, man. I will be serious.
Yeah.
In my room,
Yeah.
the shelves.
Yeah.
boy
There's a beanie there. Please get that beanie. I will scare if you go. Your parents are watching this live.
Hey, you play with him because I won the last round. I won the last round. So if the winner of you gets to do
Somebody's boring. Get the fuck out of the live. What the fuck?
rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
Ah, dude,
Mash.
He cheated.
Mash.
He cheated. You cheated. Now you did this.
Okay. Keep right on, man. Oh yeah, Gucci does have it.
Why don't you
No,
ask
bro,
me if
let's
I'm
go
good?
fair way. Come, stand up. Stand up. Back to back. Rock, paper, scissors, you put out what you shot at me. Farouk tells us who. 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors.
Aye. That was a scissor.
Nah, nigga. I wait, decide. Come, decide.
Gucci's I'm alive.
Go like.
Kana what thing? Late, idiot. Skip you. He can see you on the mirror. That nigga. Skip you. Appreciate you.
Let's see. I will. I will tell Oguta man.
When did you get the ice cream, Wena? The additional ice cream.
So let me finish. I even got the down pasta ice cream.
Let me taste.
Guys, it's China. I can't show you guys what they were doing. It's China. I can't show you guys what you were doing. I mean, they were doing.
Taco cool.
What was I?
You go Leon and Carolyn.
You ate 2 ice creams. Okay, can you take the last one?
No, the lighting here.
You send that in here.
Wait, can I measure? Farouk, wait, so remove
Wait,
weight.
what? Aye, boy.
2.
Sang exposed.
You.
Thank you. That's
What?
someone saying it.
It gives a measure.
You know.
What are you doing?
Boy.
What are you doing with a measuring
That's
tape?
someone saying. You know what? Every time I pass here, like when I'm walking, old men.
Let me see mine.
Sorry. I was also trying. You cannot wink at a school.
Aye, Gungi.
Yeah,
See? Manifest.
it's not bad.
Scared true.
Ah, she's just in my hand.
In. I'll be right back.
I don't know.
Alright.
Hello, ha. Listen. Hi. Ninja. Sunday. Come down. Me grand. Like. Muhle lo man.
Ericano!
Yeah. That meal.
What are you doing?
So close to 1 million. Guys, please get it to 2 million. Mine's 1. Let's go straight to number 2. Big.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Just Mangelela. Lela. Ibheke in real life. Noloku ibheka la. Yini?
That's quite big.
Ivela manje ngoba benganayo izo.
Mbona?
Ne? Let me show you. Boy, pass your phone fast. Sure. Oh, no, not TikTok once. What a shame.
Hey man, who's playing that song?
Boy, was that porn? That popped up first. Oh.
So
I was about to explain.
you are about to explain exactly. That's what I wanted to say.
You understand? I was about to give
Bro, don't you guys think this shit is tough as fuck? Like this piercing. This one, yeah.
You're looking at other girls.
That's crazy.
Impelo uyahlanya. Like uyahlanya. Inandaba nalo umuntu wesifazane mina msunu wakhe. Mina ngisho i-piercing nawe dickhead. This piercing. Shit's tough, bro.
Please don't go through my search history.
Ah, boy, that's you. Hey,
Hell no.
don't go through mine also.
How to fucking
Luna, body kiss. Kupalisa lumbo.
Jelly time. I'm jelly. Someone said I must get the piercing. I'm gonna get it.
Your girlfriend says no.
Who give a fuck what my girlfriend say? I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
Gungi, is that truth?
Boy. Let's give truth, boy.
What does it tattoo mean? Can you see the Charlotte? I'm going to.
Masha, why would
You
you?
mad, bro?
What? That's what the tattoo
Close that
means.
water. You should tell me out.
Can you see it?
Aye. Abamthola labantu umuntu.
Okay, sharp.
Close the other side.
Lana bo Berlin.
No Luthando.
The other side.
Guys, I got a name here, but it faded.
Yeah. Push.
Go Berlin.
Yeah. Ahead.
No Luthando.
Don't worry, we're slim.
See him moving this.
Good girl. Come. Close it. Close.
In. Ouch. Escape truth, brother Cooper.
That's kind of deep.
Who's brother Cooper?
What did you guys do? 18.
Gungi.
49 days to 1 December.
Someone said 4.
Eh?
Yeah.
When is it December?
Left with 49 days. I've been counting every day of my
Sound-
life. I know how many
It
days are
sounds
left.
like home, yeah.
Eh?
It sounds like home.
The second one, eh? That beats whack. That one you can hear it's a la beats thing. Uqala live ukuthi uzolala la yashaya. Khuluma nabantu bayagoga. Kanti unjani? Kushaya ba.
Hey, boy, it's on that.
When did you come back from Russia?
Who's my crush.
Came back on Thursday. Can you stop with this?
Taxi me reading. Mama, how good man. Ndasukeleka nje wasukela umfazi wemzulu.
Uthini?
Bebezo ne-tattoo manje. Unama-tattoo ayi-2, I'm 2. Nami ngiyayifuna le tattoo yakho.
Well, Mr. Guy Almighty, boy.
We're all my thing, boy.
Later. How? Lebu went to her mom.
He never goes to
Yo.
GCSE.
Diddy's little bro. Diddy. Howard.
By Diddy, you mean me?
Diddy.
Tell uyaziba kanjani manje?
They'll grow, not candy. Indeed.
The eyebrows I gave is about eyes.
I want so
Oh,
you
no.
at 11.
Man.
Or should I continue? She's light skinned.
Ow!
You saw her nyash. And you're old. You're like, how old is this girl?
Ha.
Should I continue?
She's sick. Because what you?
Her name is Larry.
Hey man,
Why didn't you tell us about this?
Masha. Masha man.
Shut up.
Hey! What do you have on your face, bro?
This is how we
Yo,
see
bro. I don't know, bro.
You don't know, bro.
That's up.
Nice one, little guy.
Okay, move. Move. Mash, what do you have on your face?
Shut up.
You have shut up on your face.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Mash, get away from here.
You.
Wait.
You have a fiera.
Finiela.
Wait, bro.
Masha, stop.
Mash.
Mash.
Shut up.
It's about Tinubu. Have you ever went into an app and not seen a Tinubu?
Hello, how are you? But the sound.
You're gonna be sick.
Ramona, Mash.
Tinubu thing is dog. Wait, but she, no,
Mash.
she sells everything. You can get everything on Shein. Like literally, that's how she sells everything.
As you speak.
Ay. Ngitshela ngamanzi.
You know, scroll like that.
Mash, stop. Hey.
Now, baby, I'm shy. Nice. Bambi.
Namanga.
Beyikhona ka yey phela mele uyishaye.
Bengekho.
Beyikhona.
Uyibulalile.
Ngibulalile sithando so.
Unamanga ufuna ungishayela amali. Masha, move.
Ngithi ngikushayela.
Masha.
But you do.
Hey.
Stop saying fuck you.
Don't ever say that. You hear me?
No.
What?
Stop saying fuck you.
You see your parents? They watching the live.
Your
Once
parents
you
are
start
watching
crying,
the
they're
live.
gonna know that's me.
She's your little sister. Basically, yeah.
Nice, you're too rich. Yeah, now you're too no. Child. Me.
This hand lost Pora this morning.
Give truth.
She was looking at me like she's mad, boy, and she was like she was tough. And she sneezed. She got a little shit.
How's night? Excuse.
Where's Thando? Thando.
Because I'm not in Russia, yo. I'm in a safe full
You
time.
in Russia, you just hear the plane.
Ouch. You don't breathe. Use for smoke. Stop, please. What are you saying? Mr. James, he's right here. Why you like this today? Like what? It seems like I'm changing the filter again, but I'm not mad. Anyways. When I tell you don't answer a question, I do. Remote choose nasty. is calling me. No. But can't you see that I'm live? Beginning. Thursday.
So
What does that have to do with you? What are you talking about? Anyways, let me leave because
We're going on like
it's
64.
been on 10%. Good night, Yala. Good night. Goodbye. Me and Thando.
Pen, what's yours?
Hi, parents. Also, getting
Okay, excuse me.
How?